In the era of virtual worlds and epic adventures, there lived a passionate gamer named Mark. Gaming was not only a hobby for Mark, but a form of self expression and creativity. Inspired by the captivating visuals of his favorite games, Mark yearned to create gaming videos that would immerse his viewers in the magic of virtual worlds. One fateful day, Mark stumbled upon Kinemaster, a powerful mobile editing app. Excitement surged through his veins as he realized the potential of this tool in enhancing his gaming videos. Little did he know that this discovery would lead him on a journey into the world of color grading. As Mark explored Kinemaster's features, he discovered the art of color grading and its ability to transform ordinary gameplay footage into visual marvels. With Kinemaster's color grading tools, Mark could manipulate hues, tones, and contrast levels, creating a vibrant and immersive experience for his viewers. Mark began experimenting with different color palettes, exploring how subtle adjustments in saturation and contrast could dramatically enhance the mood and atmosphere of his gaming videos. He learned that warmer tones could intensify action sequences, while cooler tones could evoke a sense of mystery and intrigue in exploration-based games. His passion for gaming and visual storytelling, Mark embarked on a quest to master the art of color grading in Kinemaster. He delved into color theory, studying the psychological behind colors and their impact on emotions. Mark watched tutorials and analyzed it on his gaming videos and practiced till he nurtured his skills. With each gaming video he edited in Kinemaster, Mark's color grading progress grew stronger and stronger. He learned to create cohesive visual narratives, using color grading to guide the viewers' emotions and draw them deeper into the gameplay experience. Mark's videos began to stand out, captivating audiences with their stunning visuals and immersive storytelling. Mark's exceptional color grading skills spread across the gaming community. He received invitations to collaborate with other content creators, and his videos garnered attention from game developers themselves. Mark's journey from a passionate gamer to a master of color grading in Kinemaster had come full circle. Inspired by his success, Mark shared his knowledge and experiences with the gaming community. He organized workshops and created tutorial videos to help aspiring content creators unlock the full potential of color grading in Kinemaster. Mark's impact extended beyond his own videos as he empowered others to unleash their creativity and elevate their gaming content through the art of color grading. And so, Mark's story serves as a testament to the transformative power of color grading in gaming videos. It reminds us that with dedication, exploration, and a touch of artistic flavor, we can create visual masterpieces that transport viewers into the worlds of
now
game.
also you can color grade your boring gameplay into interesting gameplays, like Mark did with his few simple steps of basic color correction. You can use this to attract your viewers or audiences to your gaming videos. Tell me in the comment section if this example was helpful. And if it did, do subscribe and stay tuned for another interesting episode. Till then, goodbye.